Retiring at 60? That's old thinking. Today, financial freedom by 45 is the real goal, and here's why. Hi, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So, why this is the real goal? Reason number one, job security is dying. Job security fades after 45. AI and automation are replacing even skilled roles. And let's be honest, older professionals are the first to go. Financial freedom means you're not begging to stay, you have options. Reason number two, everyone needs you at 45. At 45, you hit what I call the responsibility peak. Kids' fees, parents' health, EMIs, bills, vacations, all at once. You may earn the most you ever have, but it vanishes. That's why you need passive income backing you up. Reason number three, midlife is a crossroad. So your 40s bring an existential dip. You ask, is this it? Maybe you want to write, start a business, or just pause. But can you if you're financially tied to a job? Freedom gives you the space to realign. Reason number four, health won't wait. 1 in 4 Indians over 30 faces lifestyle diseases. Mental health dips, burnout grows, but when your finances trap you, self-care takes a backseat. Freedom lets you listen to your body and act. So don't wait for 60. Aim for freedom at 45 because life won't slow down, but you can if your money moves smart. Reason number 5, time is your greatest asset. What if your morning didn't start with traffic stress but with peace? Reading, building a passion project, spending time with family, that's not luxury, that's freedom. And it's possible before 60 if you plan for it by 45. Reason number 6, lifestyle gap is real. Everyone's upgrading. Better homes, global vacations, top schools. But are your finances keeping up? Without planning, lifestyle dreams turn into debt traps. With freedom at 45, you live well without worry. Reason number 7, money anxiety is silent stress. 60% of working Indians worry about money every day, even high earners, because income is not equal to peace. Financial freedom gives you calm, clarity, and control, and that's the real luxury. So, what does freedom at 45 look like? It doesn't mean quitting life, it means you work by choice, not compulsion. You say no without guilt. So, and you can live without panic. So, what is the final takeaway? Let's take a look at your roadmap to financial freedom. So, how do you get there? Simple. Know your number, how much monthly income you need, and cut your lifestyle leakage. Track and trim your finances, and invest intentionally in SIPs, NPS, EPF, index funds. And also increase your income and work with a professional like a certified financial planner. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but it can happen by 45 if you start now. Most people drift through their 40s, stressed and stuck. But you can choose better. You can build wealth that frees you, not just funds your survival. And if you want a plan to be financially free by 45, click the link in a description to book your free consultation with one of our certified financial planner. So let's design your plan and bring your freedom timeline closer. So save this, share it, and make financial freedom your new life goal. Until next time, thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.